Hi, this is Dr. Patty Sadallah, the leader of the Spirit Life Workshops ministry. Our Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop is just around the corner. We will be at the Drawing Board Meeting Facility in Richardson, Texas, May 20th to the 22nd, 2025. A precious group of prayer warriors who will be attending this workshop. We're praying about this event. One of the people received a spontaneous word from the Lord, and he said, "Go back to the drawing board." She looked up the meaning of that phrase, and it means to start over from the beginning or a previous stage in planning or development, especially after a failure or setbacks. This implies a need to rethink your approach and begin anew. It was very interesting to me that our facility name is the Drawing Board, and he gave her that word. I believe that this is a challenge to become more Spirit-led in this kingdom season. Isaiah 30:21 says, "Your ears will hear a word behind you. This is the way, walk in it, wherever you turn, to the right or to the left." And John 5:19 says, "So Jesus answered them by saying, I assure you and most solemnly say to you, the Son can do nothing of himself, of his own accord, unless it's something he sees and hears the Father doing. For whatever things the Father does, the Son in his turn also does in the same way." Jesus showed us the way to live in sync with the Holy Spirit, following the Father's will and way. As new covenant believers, it is our privilege to have the indwelling Spirit as our guide to help us obey those two commands. He comes in fullness and not in part. So you have the seed of full capability in your heart to become who God created you to be by this amazing gift and power of the Holy Spirit. You can live in sync with God and speak and act according to his will, his way, by hearing and seeing exactly what he needs for you, and to live a lifestyle of powerful fruit bearing. Maybe you know how to do that, and maybe this is brand new for you. But as long as you are still breathing, the Lord always has more for you. 2 Corinthians 3:18 says, "And we all, with unveiled face, continually seeing, as in a mirror, the glory of the Lord, are progressively being transformed into his image, from one degree of glory to even more glory, which comes from the Lord, who is the Spirit." This how-to deep dive workshop will train you how to surrender and cooperate with Jesus, allowing him to empower you to live and lead his will, his way. We will practice how to invite, sense, know, obey, and follow the Holy Spirit in your life and in your leadership. God has so much more for you to learn and practice, and he is bidding you to step into greater intimacy and fruit bearing. He is reaching his hand out to you. Will you grab it and follow his lead to your destined calling? Your next step is to say yes. Click on the QR code or follow the link at spiritlifeworkshops.com/upcoming-workshop. We hope to see you there.